Hello friends, welcome to our channel and another interesting video. So if you are a forex trader from India or overseas and want to know what are the forex brokers which are put on alert list by the Reserve Bank of India, then this is the video for you. Also, you can use this video as a guide in case the RBI make any changes in the list in the future. So in this video, basically we are going to the Reserve Bank of India website and we will try to find out what are the brokers which are put on the alert list by the Reserve Bank of India. This alert list is the list of the brokers which are not regulated in India, but they are still providing services in India. So basically, Reserve Bank has created a list for the Indian citizens to not trade on these unregulated brokers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And first of all, we have to type the Reserve Bank of India in the Google, and then we will click on that link and we will come to this page. So here we can see that this is the official website of Reserve Bank of India, rbi.org.in. So once we come on this page, what we have to do, we have to come to the right hand side and we can see that below the function wise sites, we will come to this financial market. So we will click on that and then we have to go to the financial markets watch. Once we click on that, we will come to this page. So here we can see that we have two sections, market data and market information. So under the market information, we have the alert list updated as of November 24, 2023. So this list was updated on November 24, 2023. If any changes happen in the future, so that will be shown here. So we click on this list and the list will appear right here. So we can see that totally we have 75 brokers which are put on this alert list. We have the broker names and we have their websites as well. So we can see that we have the Alpari and FX and eToro, Exness, expert options. So we have the OctaFx and RNFX. So we have, basically we can see all the brokers which are put on this alert list, and you can use the same guide in the future if any changes are made by the Reserve Bank of India in case they add some new name to the list or they remove some name from this list. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in another video.